John Vanco. I'm the director of the Art Museum, and I'm speaking on today on behalf of the Big Picture, which is a collaborative effort of Erie Arts and Culture, the YMCA, and the Erie Art Museum, with a lot of technical assistance from Constant Creative. I would like to ask Jim Berlin if he could come forward and say a few words.
Thank you, John. Yeah, when John and when they came to us to ask for a place to put a mural, this is a great place. It's a great location at the heart of the old industrial center of Erie. And I just think that, cities like this should celebrate their past while realizing that it's probably not coming back. And there needs to be a new future. You have to reinvent, like cities like Buffalo and Pittsburgh have done, and Philadelphia. And I know in those cities, it's a big part. The art's a big part of a community. So we get a talented guy like Aaron to come down and paint the side of an old manufacturing facility that we're trying to make into a warehouse for more development. It's a great thing. So we're happy to do it. We tend to buy a lot of old buildings. So I'm not sure how smart that is, but it's nice to pretty them up. So we've done that with the train station and Main Street and now here. So we'll keep buying buildings. We'll keep having more canvases for Aaron to work on. So thanks Allie, and thanks to everyone for making this happen.
Thank you.
It's really an honor to be a part of the Big Picture project, and we're really committed to bringing community-supported murals to Erie. So I've been very happy to be able to work with this project, to work with the artists and the companies that are very supportive of public art, as well as community members that have been involved in the painting, the celebrating, as well as some of just being on the groundwork for that. So thank you guys for coming, and I have the pleasure of introducing the artist. So if you don't know him, you will know his work. He has several murals in the area in Little Italy and has been working in the county as well. So let me introduce Aaron Knapp.
What I was thinking when I designed this was I wanted something that kind of echoed maybe like a 30s WPA sort of mural. And with that, I was thinking along the lines of a cubist sort of feel. So that's why it's fragmented. Some of you might be looking at it wondering, okay, that looks kind of neat. That's kind of a nod to cubism and that fractured sort of mechanical feel. Another inspiration for the design of this mural was Diego Rivera, who most of you probably know that name, but he was a very, very prominent mural artist and did a lot of really intense, great imagery that had to do with industry and the working man. Taking these elements and getting them all to kind of blend together and bring you right to the central, most important component of industry, and that's the person, the skilled laborer, right? There's some nods up top. We talk about, I've got some nods to the Griswold factory, which was a prominent manufacturer here on 12th Street. We've got the Skinner factory, obviously, which was this building. And then right up in the middle there, some of you might not realize it, but that's Mark's Toys old logo, right? I had a couple of questions. What is MAR? That's their logo, M-A-R with the X behind, right? Big manufacturer on 12th Street, big and prominent for years and years and years. What I did is I put them in the background, and then I kind of had to sweep through and come to the front so that we could pay tribute to the industries that are still here and still thriving and have more or less an international presence and represent Erie well as a manufacturing hub, or as a manufacturing city, which was the Erie Press machine off to the side here. You come down, you've got the train, and then you have this tribute to Uric. And it just brings you right down through into the finish over here on the Skinner, the right side.